Hello everyone. In last class we study about the preparation method of a alcohol. We already study about the formation of alcohol from formaldehyde, and other from other aldehyde except a formaldehyde. Once again, reaction of a aldehyde except formaldehyde with Grignard reagent, then due to electromeric effect, pi bond electron transfer from less en carbon atom to more en oxygen atom. Oxygen have efficiency of electron and carbon have deficiency of electron. In RMGX molecule, name of RMGX is a Grignard reagent. It's a organometal. Which compound are organometal? Then definition of organometal is if a carbon atom attached with a metal. If carbon atom attached with metal, then compound called organometal compound. So in RMGX molecule, magnesium is metal, R carbon is non-metal. Magnesium metal means positive charge, less en element, carbon negative charge. Both negative and positive charge due to cleavage of a RMGX between R and Mg. Okay beta? So R have efficiency, carbon have deficiency due to electromeric effect, positive and negative charge. So R attached with carbon, opposite charge always attractive. Mg attached with oxygen, then adduct R, C, O, MgX, C have H, here R. It's a adduct product or adduct. This adduct due to hydrolysis means reaction with H2. H2 break down in a H plus OH minus. हमेशा ध्यान रखना बेटा, कोई भी कंपाउंड जब ब्रेक होगा तो वो ब्रेक हमेशा वहां से होगा जहां उसमें मैक्सिमम पोलरिटी की प्रॉपर्टी होगी, और मैक्सिमम पोलरिटी मीन्स है मैक्सिमम पोल फॉर्मेशन, और पोल फॉर्मेशन वहां मैक्सिमम होता है जहां पर कंपाउंड में ईएन डिफरेंस मैक्सिमम होता है. अभी देखना, ऑक्सीजन इस पूरे कंपाउंड में मैक्सिमम ईएन एलिमेंट है, मैग्नीशियम लेस ईएन एलिमेंट है, मीन्स magnesium have positive, oxygen have negative, and bond cleavage between O and a Mg. O attached with the hydrogen, MgX attached with the hydroxide ion, then R, C, OH, H, R plus MgX, OH. It's also alcohol molecule, but it's a 1 degree or 2 degree, then answer is a 2 degree alcohol, because OH attached with this carbon and this carbon have two side, another carbon are present. 2 degree alcohol. Next, 3 degree alcohol. Preparation of a 3 degree alcohol. So reaction of a ketone molecule. Reaction of a ketone molecule. If both free valencies of carbonyl carbon attached with a alkyl group, then compound called ketone. So reaction of ketone with a RMGX, then adduct will form. Pi bond electron transfer from less En carbon to more En oxygen. Oxygen have efficiency of electron, then negative charge. Carbon have deficiency of electron, then positive charge. In organometal, Grignard reagent, R have negative charge, Mg have a positive charge. R have negative and Mg have a positive charge. So R alkyl attract with the carbon and MgX attract or attach with oxygen atom. So R CO MgX R and R adduct product. This adduct due to hydrolysis or reaction with the water, in water molecule H have positive, OH have negative. Maximum EN difference between oxygen and Mg. O have negative, Mg have positive. Breakdown between oxygen and magnesium. Then oxygen